What questions should you ask during a hair color consultation? What hair color shades will complement my skin tone and natural undertones? How will this color work with my current hair type, texture, and condition? What is the maintenance level of this hair color, and how often will I need touch-ups? Will this color require bleaching or multiple sessions to achieve the best results? How will the color fade over time, and what can I do to make it last longer? What aftercare products should I use to keep my hair healthy and vibrant? Will this color affect my hair's health or require special treatments to prevent damage? What is the estimated time and cost for this color process? If I change my mind later, how easy or difficult will it be to adjust or remove this color? Can I see before and after photos of similar hair color transformations you've done? Do you recommend any bond repair treatments or glosses to enhance the final result? How should I prepare my hair before my appointment to ensure optimal color absorption? Asking these questions ensures you get beautiful, healthy, and long-lasting color results.